Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a private server and Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. This works on iPhone, Android and PC, so no matter what you're using, you can set it up. Let's get started. For that, open up your Roblox application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Now search for Steal A Brainrot and then open the game. Just like that, don't press the play button. Instead, tap on this two-person icon next to it and then tap on Create Private Server. So once you're inside here, it costs you 79 Robux per month. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and simply tap on Create Private Server and then tap on Buy Robux. You can even choose to customize your server right away or hit Not Now if you want to do it later. And that's it, your private server is ready to use. But if you'd like to join another private server, you'll be able to find all of the private server right over here. All you have to do is simply tap on join, and just like that, you'll be able to join a private server and Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.